Hey guys, welcome to a new series called UChat Training Wednesdays, where we'll take certain integrations, certain features that are worth mentioning and show you how you can use it in several use cases and where to find them so you can use it for your own business, your business automations, or that of clients to its fullest potential. In this week's video, we're wanting to cover the calendar. The calendar option allows you to generate an ICS file where users can basically download that file and add the meeting that you generated directly towards their calendars. This works on desktop and mobile devices, as well as in iOS and Android. The first way would be for example, live chat agents to be able to generate a meeting, an appointment directly inside of the live chat conversation. The way to do so is by going all the way at the bottom and then go with the calendar file generator. Once pressed, a new window will pop up, and here you will see that we have a calendar file generator, and the extension will be .ics once generated. Now you can give it a name. So for example, let's call this meeting, well, actually let's go with discovery call. Let's go with a start and end date. So let's say we are going with Saturday the 21st at, let's say, 10 a.m. Then we will go with Saturday the 21st, and instead of 10 a.m. we can also manually fill it in, and that will be 11 a.m. That's for the end time. Then we will have a location, so that could be a physical location, or we can also say, for example, a Zoom meeting. We can also have a description, so let's say meeting with Mark. And then we also have a URL. So for now, let's just fill in my website. That is fine for now. Let's press save. And once it's done generating, you will see an ICS file at the lower left corner of your screen of the live chat conversation. This means that it's now attached as a file. And once you press the send button, it will send automatically towards that user. So if we take a look and I press send, normally it would display some kind of URL for UChat, but not in this live chat window. But let me switch over to my phone so you can see how that looks like. As you can see, I got the link generated inside of my conversation with the chatbot. And once pressed, it will open up a browser tab. And once done, you will be able to click it. And then you will get to see an overview of your meeting details. So you will see we have a discovery call with, the meeting is with Mark at Saturday 21st of January from 10 a.m. till 11 a.m. If I say add to calendar, I will now be able to choose any of the calendars. So let's say I'm going with my business calendar. There we go. The event has now been added towards my calendar. As you can see, for the 21st between 10 and 11 a.m. I will now have my details for my discovery call. So once pressed, you will see all the meeting details, like the discovery call, where the location is, and when I will get an advance notice that is built into Google Calendar. In this case, we have a meeting with Mark, and also the event details with the event link. So this is just one part of how you can use it, but how to use it on different places and different instances. So if we take a look here, we can also go towards a flow and use it directly inside of flows. So the way that looks like is if we go towards my calendar invite flow, then we just have basically an empty flow here. But the way to create a calendar link, right, is by going with an action block, go with advanced actions, and under advanced actions, we will have the calendar file generator. Once pressed and press edit action, basically the same exact pop-up will come, just like when you press it when being on live chat, but there is one addition, and that is the save the link towards a custom field. So let me just fill this in real quick. Once filled in, you will be able to save the link towards a custom field. So if we go with a response custom field in this case, then we can press save. And from here, you can give the link inside of a text block, let's say here is your meeting link. And then you can just display the custom field where you saved the meeting link in. Or you can also go with a button. Go, let's say, meeting details. Let's go with the next step, open website, and from here you will be able to display that. But let's go with response. Let's say save. And now you have your meeting links directly inside. So this link can also be sent by SMS or by email, so whatever you prefer. For mobile phones, an SMS might be easier, and for desktop devices, you might want to send the link by email. Now, there is one more additional feature that you can use inside this calendar file generator, and that is, instead of going with static values that you enter manually, you can also go with dynamic values. So if we just clear this, and your bot user scheduled an appointment with you, and that is saved inside of custom fields. And then let's also go with an end time. Let's just grab a random variable for now, but you get the idea that you can also put in dynamic variables for start and end times. And this allows you to also schedule calls within the chatbot 24/7 and completely dynamic depending on the availability that you set up inside of the chatbot. So we hope you like this new series of UChat Training Wednesdays, where we will show these kinds of videos every single week. And next week will be even better because we will be launching a small mini course for WooCommerce. So next week on UChat Training Wednesdays, you will be able to learn everything you want to know about the WooCommerce integration. So if you liked the video, do consider dropping a like because it will help us out. If you have any questions, do drop them down in the comment section. And for now, have a great day, take care, and talk soon.